This is the Darcy-Weisbach Friction Loss Calculator, which determines pressure losses in pipe flow systems. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we have flow rate Q, where you enter the volumetric flow rate. Next is pipe diameter D for the internal pipe diameter. Then, pipe length L for the total length of pipe. Surface roughness epsilon represents the pipe's internal roughness height. Finally, kinematic viscosity Nu is the fluid's kinematic viscosity value. For this demonstration, I'll use 10 for all inputs. Flow rate Q equals 10, pipe diameter D equals 10, pipe length L equals 10, surface roughness epsilon equals 10, and kinematic viscosity Nu equals 10. After clicking Calculate Friction Loss, here are our results. Head loss HF shows 0.0001 meters, representing the energy loss due to friction. Pressure drop delta P is 0.58 pascals, the actual pressure reduction through the pipe. The friction factor F, calculated as 0.071556, determines the friction characteristics. Flow velocity is 0.127 meters per second, showing how fast the fluid moves through the pipe. This tool streamlines hydraulic calculations for pipeline design. Find the link in the description below.